Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to mount a partition in Linux. First, to check the mounted partitions, use the following command. Then, list the partitions to identify the hard drive you want to mount. You can see the following output here. We have 2 hard disks added to the test system and we will mount the following disk. Next, to determine the file system type of the disk or partition, run the following command. Create a data folder to mount into. Then, format the disk in ext4. Continue adding to the fstab file to automatically mount the system when reboots. Next, apply the changes by mounting all file systems. Finally, confirm the disk or partition is mounted.